Samsung tablet users. Struggling with a tablet that won't turn off? You're not alone. In this video, we'll share 11 effective fixes to get your device working normally again, plus the key reasons behind the issue. Let's dive in. Part 1. Why won't my tablet turn off? App overload, corrupt files, Wi-Fi Bluetooth bug, overlay or accessibility issue, security app conflict, wrong buttons, pending updates, hardware fault. Part 2. Fix Samsung tablet won't turn off, with Android repair most efficient. Samsung tablet won't turn off? Try Android repair. This smart tool fixes common Android issues in minutes. Trusted by millions, it's an easy, effective solution to get your device working again. Step 1. Run Android repair. Install and launch this product on your computer after downloading it for free. Click System Repair and connect your Samsung tablet to the computer using a USB cable. Step 2. Get into the Repair window. Select Android Repair on the screen and click Start to initiate the troubleshooting process for various Android problems. Step 3. Confirm your entered info. Enter your device information and click Next. Enter 00000 in the provided field and click Confirm. Note that Android Repair may erase data on the device, so you'd better back up your tablet before proceeding. Step 4. Place the tablet in download mode. Case 1. For devices with a home button, turn it off and press Sprint. Home, power and volume down for 10 seconds. Release all and hold volume up. Case 2. For devices without a home button, power off the device and press power, Bixby, and volume down for 10 seconds. Release all and tap volume up. Step 5. Fix Samsung tablet not turning off. Once in download mode, click Next to download the firmware. Finally, the automatic repair will commence. Afterward, you can boot up your Galaxy tablet as usual. Part 3. Other 13 quick fixes to Samsung Galaxy tablet won't turn off. Solution 1. Remove external accessories. Solution 2. Replug the battery. Solution 3. Check for faulty power button. Solution 4. Update software. Solution 5. Try device maintenance. Solution 6. Free up storage on your Samsung tab. Solution 7. Boot the Samsung tablet into safe mode. Solution 8. Quit or uninstall apps. Solution 9. Factory reset Samsung in recovery mode. Solution 10. Wipe the cache partition. Solution 11. Force restart the tablet. Solution 12. Test using the Samsung Members app.